100 most common idioms in English. Idioms about daily life.
Break the ice. Break the ice.
To start the meeting, he told a joke to break the ice.
A blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise.
Losing that job was a blessing in disguise. It pushed me to start my own business.
Burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil.
I had to burn the midnight oil to finish the report on time.
Let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag.
She let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party.
Bite off more than you can chew. Bite off more than you can chew.
He's bitten off more than he can chew by taking on 2 jobs.
Idioms about work and career.
Climb the corporate ladder. Climb the corporate ladder.
He's working hard to climb the corporate ladder.
Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head.
Her analysis hit the nail on the head.
Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling.
Let's get the ball rolling on the project.
Think outside the box. Think outside the box.
To solve this problem, we need to think outside the box.
Call it a day. Call it a day.
It's getting late. Let's call it a day.
Idioms about studying.
Hit the books. Hit the books.
I need to hit the books if I want to pass the exam.
Learn the ropes. Learn the ropes.
It will take some time to learn the ropes in this new job.
Burn the candle at both ends. Burn the candle at both ends.
She's been burning the candle at both ends to prepare for her exams.
Pass with flying colors. Pass with flying colors.
He passed the driving test with flying colors.
Hit the ground running. Hit the ground running.
She hit the ground running on her first day at work.
Idioms about emotions.
On cloud 9. On cloud 9.
She was on cloud 9 after hearing the good news.
Feel under the weather. Feel under the weather.
I'm feeling a bit under the weather today.
A roller coaster of emotions. A roller coaster of emotions.
The movie took me on a roller coaster of emotions.
Break someone's heart. Break someone's heart.
Broke his heart to see her leave.
Have butterflies in your stomach. Have butterflies in your stomach.
I always have butterflies in my stomach before a presentation.
Idioms about friendship and relationships.
See eye to eye. See eye to eye.
They don't see eye to eye on how to run the business.
Through thick and thin. Through thick and thin.
They've been friends through thick and thin.
Bury the hatchet. Bury the hatchet.
They decided to bury the hatchet after years of conflict.
A shoulder to cry on. A shoulder to cry on.
She was a shoulder to cry on during my tough times.
Hit it off. Hit it off.
We met at the party and hit it off right away.
Idioms about money.
Money doesn't grow on trees. Money doesn't grow on trees.
Stop wasting money. Money doesn't grow on trees.
Make ends meet. Make ends meet.
It's hard to make ends meet with rising prices.
Cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg.
This car cost me an arm and a leg.
Save for a rainy day. Save for a rainy day.
You should save for a rainy day.
Pay through the nose. Pay through the nose.
We paid through the nose for our tickets.
Idioms about time.
In the nick of time. In the nick of time.
We got to the station in the nick of time.
Time flies. Time flies.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon.
I visit my hometown once in a blue moon.
Around the clock. Around the clock.
They're working around the clock to finish the project.
Better late than never. Better late than never.
She arrived late, but better late than never.
Idioms about luck and risks.
The ball is in your court. The ball is in your court.
I've done my part. Now the ball is in your court.
Play with fire. Play with fire.
If you lie to her, you're playing with fire.
Take a leap of faith. Take a leap of faith.
Starting my own business was a leap of faith.
By the skin of your teeth. By the skin of your teeth.
He passed the exam by the skin of his teeth.
Every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Losing the job taught me new skills. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Idioms about health.
Fit as a fiddle. Fit as a fiddle.
Even at 70, she's as fit as a fiddle.
Under the knife. Under the knife.
He went under the knife for heart surgery.
Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket.
He doesn't want to kick the bucket without visiting Paris.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
I always eat fruit because an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Hang by a thread. Hang by a thread.
His health was hanging by a thread after the accident.
Idioms about love.
Fall head over heels. Fall head over heels.
He fell head over heels for her.
Tie the knot. Tie the knot.
They're planning to tie the knot next summer.
Lovebirds. Lovebirds.
The two lovebirds couldn't stop smiling at each other.
Wear your heart on your sleeve. Wear your heart on your sleeve.
He wears his heart on his sleeve, so you always know how he feels.
Break up. Break up.
They broke up after 5 years together.
Idioms about travel and exploration.
Off the beaten track. Off the beaten track.
We found a lovely cafe off the beaten track.
Hit the road. Hit the road.
Let's hit the road early to avoid traffic.
Live out of a suitcase. Live out of a suitcase.
He's been living out of a suitcase for months.
Take the scenic route. Take the scenic route.
We took the scenic route and enjoyed the beautiful views.
Travel light. Travel light.
I always travel light with just one backpack.
Idioms about communication.
Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil. We were just talking about you.
Get your wires crossed. Get your wires crossed.
I think we got our wires crossed about the meeting time.
Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words.
Stop promising and show me. Actions speak louder than words.
Beat around the bush. Beat around the bush.
Stop beating around the bush and tell me what happened.
Put in a good word for someone. Put in a good word for someone.
Could you put in a good word for me at the interview?
Idioms about learning and experiences.
You can't judge a book by its cover. You can't judge a book by its cover.
The restaurant looked shabby, but you can't judge a book by its cover.
Learn the hard way. Learn the hard way.
He learned the hard way not to trust everyone.
Old habits die hard. Old habits die hard.
Even after quitting smoking, old habits die hard.
Live and learn. Live and learn.
I made a mistake, but you live and learn.
Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect.
Keep trying. Practice makes perfect.
Idioms about feelings and actions.
Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet.
She decided to bite the bullet and move to a new city.
Throw in the towel. Throw in the towel.
After years of trying, he finally threw in the towel.
Blow off steam. Blow off steam.
He goes jogging to blow off steam after work.
Hit the jackpot. Hit the jackpot.
She hit the jackpot with her new job.
Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up.
Keep your chin up. Things will get better soon.
Idioms about nature. The tip of the iceberg. The tip of the iceberg.
The financial problems of the company are just the tip of the iceberg.
Make hay while the sun shines. Make hay while the sun shines.
We should make hay while the sun shines and finish this project.
As right as rain. As right as rain.
After a short rest, I felt as right as rain.
Calm before the storm. Calm before the storm.
The quiet in the office was just the calm before the storm of a busy day.
Rain on someone's parade. Rain on someone's parade.
I don't want to rain on your parade, but that idea might not work.
Idioms about family.
Blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water.
They may fight, but in the end, blood is thicker than water.
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
He's just as stubborn as his dad. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
Run in the family. Run in the family.
Blue eyes run in the family.
Skeleton in the closet. Skeleton in the closet.
Every family has some skeletons in the closet.
Bring home the bacon. Bring home the bacon.
He works hard to bring home the bacon.
Idioms about negative emotions.
Cry over spilt milk. Cry over spilt milk.
There's no use crying over spilt milk.
At the end of your rope. At the end of your rope.
I'm at the end of my rope with all this stress.
Green with envy. Green with envy.
She was green with envy when she saw their new car.
Jump the gun. Jump the gun.
Let's not jump the gun and wait for the official announcement.
Down in the dumps. Down in the dumps.
She's been down in the dumps since she lost her job.
Idioms about animals. A wolf in sheep's clothing. A wolf in sheep's clothing.
Be careful with him. He's a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
By jogging to the store, I killed 2 birds with 1 stone.
The early bird catches the worm. The early bird catches the worm.
The early bird catches a worm, so I wake up at 6 a.m.
Curiosity killed the cat. Curiosity killed the cat.
Don't ask too many questions. Curiosity killed the cat.
Raining cats and dogs. Raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs outside.
Idioms about transportation and movement.
Backseat driver. Backseat driver.
Stop being a backseat driver and let me handle this.
Hit the brakes. Hit the brakes.
We hit the brakes when the deer ran onto the road.
In the driver's seat. In the driver's seat.
With her promotion, she's now in the driver's seat.
Put the pedal to the metal. Put the pedal to the metal.
If we put the pedal to the metal, we can make it on time.
Steer clear of. Steer clear of.
Steer clear of that area. It's dangerous at night.
Idioms about technology.
Push the envelope. Push the envelope.
This new software really pushes the envelope.
Cutting edge. Cutting edge.
They're using cutting-edge technology in this project.
Light years ahead. Light years ahead.
Their technology is light years ahead of the competition.
Behind the times. Behind the times.
His methods are behind the times.
Pull the plug. Pull the plug.
They decided to pull the plug on the unprofitable project.